All right, folks, this is Josh from Bendit Fishing. We are going to show you something that I've never shown you before. And there's a big reason for that is one, it's like 99.9% cheating. We're in the middle of Cayuga Lake. We're in 300 plus feet of water, and we're using Livescope XR to pick out individual fish that are suspended out in the middle of nowhere. Now, the glory of suspended fish out in the middle of nowhere is they're only doing one thing. They're not out for a lazy daisy stroll. They are out here to eat. They are not on any sort of physical structure, except for bait can be structure. So this is Livescope XR. And what you're seeing underneath me, which I can zoom in, all of this underneath me, those little red blobs are clouds of alewives, or there's a bunch of other bait in here. That's the only one I know is in here for sure. I think there's Cisco's in here as well. And we can zoom out, hit back, and you can see, hopefully, some more bait schools around us. And then we're looking for hard red flicker returns. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wear our life jacket, and we're gonna putt along here, and we're gonna pinpoint individual fish. Now, the chances of me catching something else besides Lakers is pretty high. So there's browns, there's steelhead in here, and Lakers that I know of. And I've caught all of them except for browns as of this morning, as of today. So right there's one individual fish. He doesn't look very big, so we're gonna just kind of keep on trucking. And this is awesome to do with Livescope. It is not impossible to do with 2D, but I have been wandering around with some very picky fish today, even being a lake trout jigger and this lake being loaded with Lakers. We are on the struggle bus, as far as I'm concerned. I've still got a dozen plus fish and a half dozen, what do you want to call them, steelhead today. So right there's a giant ball of bait. And usually, right below them will be a Laker. So that Laker is about 100 feet down. We want something that's up higher that I can cast to. And I'm casting to it with this. This is the flutter jig. This is the 1 ounce one. Mine's already beat up since it's landed so many fish today. It's probably landed more than anything today. It's absolutely insane. So there's a pair of fish. They're at 100. They look pretty big, so we're gonna give them a chance. And we're gonna lead our target here. This is why I don't teach this. So my trolling motor is down, but I'm not using it right now. I probably should be. Like right up there is a higher target. So we're actually gonna reel up for a better chance at that one. So what's weird about Cayuga, and actually it's not Cayuga in general, it is just healthy lakes in general that have lots of bait. They actually use lake trout, steelhead. Think my shadow, which is casting down towards you guys, down towards the camera, is a school of bait. So they'll actually come up screaming off bottom for it, the shadow of my boat, and think it's bait, and you have a split second to figure out if they're gonna eat or not. Whatever this is, I think sees me. Get off of me. Oh, swing and a miss. And I try not to cast behind the boat because it's kind of a pain in the butt. And there's a whole school of fish over there at 100. You can do this without XR. XR is just a little easier because you can see really, really far. But my pole is not as accurate as my Livescope Plus pole. Like, it's a little bit sloppy in its dimensions. We're gonna swing right into these fish here. And normally I care about like which angle you guys are at with the sun and stuff like that, but this is crazy fish in here. Oh, it's coming for it, it's coming for it. Oh. Got him. Whatever it is. Feels like a Laker. Oh, and he's off. All right, on to some new fish. There's one out in front of us here. All right, let's get moving. Got one finally. I think it's big. Just trying to tucker him out. That wasn't recording, but I stopped on an individual fish. Start recording 409. It's definitely a lake trout, and he's got a buddy that's up there with him. See the little V? That's Livescope XR trying to find bottom. There's a way to turn it off. I don't know how right now. And there it is, going back in. Here's another one. Hit the brakes, drop it down. Sitting below a giant school of bait. Ooh. Drag was loose, and I knew it was loose, and there's nothing I could have done about it. So this is a technique just to fish around bait instead of fishing around structure. There's a lot of bait in this lake, so it makes it pretty easy, but you can do this with 2D, but you're gonna sit and wait. You're basically gonna dangle the jig over the side of the boat and then wait for a fish to come underneath you, which should work because you cast a shadow with your boat. Like right now I'm luring in another fish. That might not be a Laker, I don't know. So a lot of people think us YouTubers have a YouTube drag, but this is a medium 7'3" rod. And as long as that rod's bent, I can have my drag as loose as I want. So right now it's as tight as I want it. This is probably the last fish of the day. And this is 15-pound braid and a 12-pound leader, which I should be running like 15-pound leader just because of line nicks and teeth and stuff. Perfectly hooked. There we go. Nice burp shark, burping, going back in. All right, I'm about to get chased in 3, 2, oh my goodness. Oh, it's gonna jump. It's a steelhead. Nah, it's a laker. Oh, he's pissed though. All right, now he's wrapped up in the line. All right, my phone's gonna die in about 2 seconds, so I'll call you later, bye. Come on, these things are freaking feisty as all hell. Feisty, feisty, feisty fish. That is a freaking fat fish. Going back in. All right, that's it for the day, folks. The real winner was the flutter jig. They just absolutely love it. And swim bait worked great this morning. And then flutter jig has absolutely killed it with the steelhead and everything. If you guys want to support the channel, visit benditfishingbiz.com, where you can buy the flutter jigs and the big bait kit. And if you want to learn more about lake trout, either click here or click here, and I'll see you on one of those next videos.